Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make edits better using easy methods. We'll cover foundational steps that can significantly improve your video quality. First, always begin with a clear vision for your project, understanding your message and target audience. Then, organize all your media files efficiently before you even open your editing software. This preparation saves you valuable time and streamlines your workflow, making the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Once your footage is organized, focus on structuring your video effectively. A strong opening hook is crucial. Aim to capture your audience's attention within the first 15 seconds. Think about using an intriguing question or a captivating visual. Then, ensure your story flows logically, guiding viewers through your content without confusion. Finally, always end with a clear purpose, whether it's a call to action, a thought-provoking question, or a memorable closing statement to leave a lasting impression. On iOS devices, system-wide font changes are more limited, but you can easily adjust text appearance. Begin by opening the Settings app. Then, navigate to Accessibility and select Display and Text Size. Here, you can enable bold text for better visibility or use the larger text slider to adjust the size. For more extensive font customization, consider exploring various third-party applications available in the App Store. Before you consider your edit complete, a thorough review is essential. Watch your entire video at least 2 or 3 times, specifically looking for any missed errors, awkward cuts, or audio issues. It's also incredibly helpful to get a fresh perspective, ask a friend or colleague to review it, and provide honest feedback. Finally, when exporting, choose the highest quality settings appropriate for your platform, ensuring your hard work looks its absolute best for your audience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.